Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can use Websockets in BlackSheep. So let's call this socketing.py and let's spin up our UVcorn instance. Socketing, and let me make this a little bit bigger. So now we should be able to write the code. From BlackSheep we have to import the application and the WebSocket and the WS, and we create our application and we decorate with the WS a function. So basically what we have to do is to say that this is the name of the context route, and we have the async def socketing, and what we have to do in order for this to work is to have an argument, and this argument is supposed to be a WebSocket annotated with the WebSocket type. And here we can await the WebSocket that accept, and technically this should be it. And now what I'm going to do is to create another BlackSheep window and go ahead and create a WebSocket client. So we have to install the WebSocket module. And now we can go to the shell and we have to import the async IO and basically import the WebSockets module, and the async def message should be our function, and we have the async with WebSockets.connect, and we use the WS protocol on the 127.0.0.1 8000/WS as socket, and we want nothing more at the moment. So async IO .get event loop run until complete message. Alright, it seems that the client was able to connect, and we want to use the await WebSocket send. And what should we do? Send text, and we want to send the welcome as message. Okay, and now we have to modify our message definition and say that we want to use the socket that receive, and we want to print it. So print await socket that receive, and you can see that we were welcomed by the WebSocket application. Should return banner returned response. That's fine. So this is how you can use WebSockets in BlackSheep. See you in the next one.